Hey, so this is Andres Martinez-Munoz for AS315 UAS Robotics Fall 2016. This is Lab 4 with the three-color LED that the goal is to show that that LED changes based on an analog value that's being read from these photoresistors, which are basically just devices that can measure how much light is being received, and they vary their resistance based on that, and we can read that change in voltage using the analog pins on the Arduino. So we're doing two things essentially, and we're building on previous labs by actually analog writing, which in the code is right here. We're able to map values based on how much light it's receiving from the red, blue, and green, or what we designate as the red, blue, and green resistors, and then we're able to analog write the pins with those mapped values. And the way that we map it is by taking that 1023 from analog read and dividing it by 4 to get a command within the 0 to 255 range. And that's how we're changing the color on this LED, which is interesting because it actually has 4 pins, one for each of the colors, the red, blue, and the green, and then one is the ground. So when you open our serial monitor, you can see both the mapped and the raw values. It's going kind of quick right now because of that 9600 bit per second range, but when I cover the resistors, or the photoresistors, it's interesting because you can actually see the numbers change. So when you take it off, they're pretty high, then you start to cover, and the numbers go lower. And you can see that change actually happen on the LED. So they're just getting brighter, and I'll cover this. We'll cover this. We'll cover that. You see the LED changing color.